What's up, everybody? Let's go. You already know it is. It's your boy, Marketing with Dom. Let's go. And I've been having a lot of different questions. And one of the biggest questions that my writers have been asking me, and the homies and the bosses, they're like, yo, if I'm not cut out for OF, is there other ways I can make money online in 2021? And I'm like, yes. And actually, I never thought I was actually going to give up this website or this network because every time I need to make some extra cash, I'm always like popping into these networks and stuff because they're always sending them to my emails. My shit be blasting. But I could always do an extra little survey or something on the side to make sure you get some dough or whatever is data entry, whatever it takes. Here's something you have to understand, and I'm sorry if this video goes longer than you want. You can skip towards the end to get to the actual what is the product and what you can do to set up and make it happen. But I want to express something to you because, listen, this is an education channel. I'm trying to teach y'all. I'm trying to get y'all to understand. You got to move with a purpose. When you move with a purpose, you can understand, okay? People used to sit in office for 8 hours, right? Now you have the opportunity to make the same amount of money doing all sorts of things by sitting in your home for 8 hours. And I kind of enjoy sitting in my home. I sit here, eat some Subway. Eat fresh, okay? And I get to work online. However, one of my projects doing well, and I'm actually just going to give up this site finally so you can just get into it. You know, it was a minute and 30 in. I apologize for your time. Make sure you subscribe down below. Comment let's go for me, because you know I'm fighting versus all these other YouTubers trying to be the best, and y'all rocking with me. So let's talk about a site that's very simple, not complex. You don't need technical skills to be able to do it, and they send you all sorts of jobs. And we're going to go into the computer right now and let's do it. So hello, welcome everybody to my super secret computer thingy over here. So let's check this out. So this is called ClickEarn. What you have to understand is now the online industry is getting very, very unsaturated. It's to be able to work from home and do certain things from your house is now becoming a skill to be able to execute from there. So there's databases that I sign up for all the time. Yes, and please don't be mad at me, but I'm telling you the truth. All these places make you pay to do it because it's like bidding. Everybody making money from you. I know the feeling, but I've made thousands of dollars on platforms like this one. And this one itself, I haven't used it in about a year, but it's amazing. Like they just send you all kind of jobs. Like you can do virtual assistant jobs, you can do product testing jobs, social media management, admin, whatever you can find your way to do it. And you can literally be any age to do this. So that's kind of cool. I don't know if you can be under 18, so please do not sign up and say that you found me on the internet and did it. That's all I'm saying. But if you are looking for things to get into your inbox directly to be able to make money online and doing projects and you're not super tech savvy, but you want to be able to do some simple stuff, this is a platform you can sign up for. All right, let's check it out. I'm always down to just look at that. You know what I'm saying? Because, like I said, oh, God, I got to fix the traffic light. You always want to see what this is. So this one, I think I paid like $30 or something for this one. There's some crazy shit, nothing crazy. But I made so much money on it. It's kind of like it just comes and you get to just knock these little projects out. Let's say I'm gonna work 40 hours, boy. Let's say you about to be a full-time boss online, because if you're really about it, you really about it, right? Access to internet, full domain, and it's gonna tell you what you gotta pay to get in the network, and they just send you jobs, because these people get paid to send you jobs, but they also want to know people are serious. So look, yeah, so it was 27 for the 12 months and the lifetime of 57. You just get jobs. I'm pretty sure I paid the 57 because it's lifetime. Like to me, lifelong time of jobs getting to my email. But at this point, I got so many things in my email that I don't be checking it. And the other businesses are doing well, and I hope you enjoyed this. So if you want to find the easiest way to make money online in 2021 is to go to these companies and have them send you direct outcomes to online jobs. It's that simple. We already know. Hey, if you enjoyed this, if you like this, if you're going to check it out, if you're going to try it out, comment down below. I'm ready to get to the bag any way possible in 2021. Making money online is the new way. Being able to be at your house and computer and be disciplined to do it is the new way. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up. Let's go.